Now all we have to do is we need to calibrate the screen. So in order to calibrate the screen, we just need to click on the taskbar and calibration and click OK. Once it's done, we will have 4 signs just like this on all the 4 corners of the screen. So let's say if we need to calibrate the screen, we'll just be clicking on the center of each plus sign that will be appearing on the screen one after the other. Once the calibration is done, we will go back to our main screen wherein our software is open at the bottom. Now in order to work on this wall, which has got no device connected to it, this is just a simple plain wall that we are using, and we are making interactives just with the help of this device. So in order to work, we open the software. This is the interactive software for this device. Just like on the normal interactive boards, what we do is we just add new pages. So similarly, we have added a new page here. We have the option of selecting multiple pen, like the normal pen, then we have the soft pen, then we have the texture pen, then last but not the least we have the highlighter in order to highlight the particular points which we would like to highlight. So in order to write, we select the pen. We can increase or decrease the width of the pen as well, and we write on the wall. Now once we have written all this thing, we can either erase it with the help of the eraser. Let's say I would like to erase the entire thing. We have erased it, and just in case we have erased it by mistake, we can go ahead and recall with the help of the undo and redo feature. We get the entire thing again. We add a new page here. The other options that we have is, we have the camera feature. For example, if we need to capture some particular image from our desktop, we will be selecting the camera. Once we have selected the camera, we just need to dedicate or decide the area which we would like to capture. Let's say we would like to capture the Windows icon. So we'll just select it and we'll just paste it. Now in order to discuss about this, we have the option. Again, we will be selecting a pen. We can reduce or we can increase the width size. We can write anything. Let's say I'd like to write there is a tree in this. What this denotes, we can go ahead and write each and everything. Similarly, we add again a new page. If we want to go back to a computer, we'll just press the mouse button. We come back to a computer screen. From here, I need to go ahead and run a PowerPoint presentation. So I'll be running a PowerPoint presentation from here itself. It's just like we are operating the entire computer standing on the wall itself. We have the freedom of toggling between a computer by standing here itself. We don't have to be dependent that we have to go back to a computer and then we have to come again. In order to change the slide, just like we have this pen, this is known as e-pointer. We can increase the length of this e-pointer. There is a button in order to change the slide. We just need to click on this. Now this tells you about this portable interactive device. Extremely cost effective, it is easy to use, it integrates seamlessly in your existing system. There is no power required. The only power that requires is drawn from the computer with the help of the USB cable. There is only one USB cable that is connecting our device and the computer. Before using, just like we have calibrated, we just need to calibrate the screen once. If this device is permanently fixed on the ceiling, we don't have to calibrate it again and again. So there is just a 4-point calibration involved in this. We can use this pen or this e-pen and e-pointer as a mouse, as eraser, as pen. We can toggle between the screens. It works on any third-party software as well. This has got pen mode, just like what we have seen by writing hello and welcome. Then this is the specification. The technology that we use is the infrared technology. The movement detection technology which is there on this pen, it is the LED technology. Again, the calibration technology is infrared, and we can convert any area starting from 40 inches diagonal to 120 inches diagonal into an interactive screen. We don't have a restriction that if I have purchased an interactive board of 77 inches, I cannot go ahead and increase the size. Here we can increase or decrease the size of the screen as per our wish and will. The weight is just 180 grams as compared to the bulky interactive boards. These are the standard accessories that we do. We come back to the software here. Now, for example, if we need to discuss about some map, we have a preloaded gallery here. We can create and customize our own gallery according to our wish. We go ahead and click on geography, for example, and we select one particular map. We drag it and we drop it. We can increase or decrease the size of this map. Selection. We have increased the size. Now if I need to go ahead and mark anything with the help of the pen, we can mark anything. Let's say I would like to go ahead and write something about Germany. I'd like to write something about France. I'd like to write something about Thun. I'd like to write something about Austria. We have the options. We can go ahead and modify. We can go ahead and write anything. We can select our own colors. Let's say I select the white color in order to tell that what is the distance between Germany and France. Whatever we would like to do, we can customize, and we can be so much creative in order to do all these things. Once it has been done, we have been creating pages after the pages. On the top, it will tell you that how many pages we have created till now. This is the 5th page. We are currently on the 5th page. If we need to go ahead and see what have we done in the previous page, we have the option of selecting and going back to the pages which we have selected. Again, in order to go to the next page, we just click on the next page option. Apart from this, we have the option of recording whatever we are doing. There is an option available with us which is called screen recorder. We just start to record. It will automatically start to save whatever we have been doing. For example, I change the color. I change it to blue. I go ahead and select, let's say, I would like to write something here. I write the brand name. Or we can use this e-pointer as well. I can change the page. I can write from a distance as well. And we stop the recording. Whatever we have been doing, it will be recording each and everything. This will be recording all the movements on the screen, not our physical movements will be recorded in this. We save it on the desktop, and the default file format would be the year, the month, the date, the hour, minute and the second. So we save it on the desktop. Once it's been saved, we go back to our desktop. We use the right click option here, and we look out for the option. We can select any folder, we can open any folder, We can close anything. We can open any file. Let's say I would like to open the Word. We can open it from here. We can cancel it. We have all the options in the world to do. Go back to the software. White page, black page, blue page, the desktop page, and if we want to delete a page, we can very well go ahead and do so. Rest, each and every options remain the same with this interactive board. We can save all the files, let's say whatever we have been doing, we can export it into a PowerPoint presentation, or we can export it into a PDF format. Apart from these two formats, we have the option of saving it in other formats as well, like JPG, GIF, TIF, YT and STM format as well. So these are all the formats in which we can save whatever we have been doing today on this interactive device. For any further questions or queries, you can feel free to write us or you can call us. We'll be more than happy to answer all your questions and queries without any problem. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and hope you like the technology as well. Thank you and have a good day.